Good morning, everyone, and welcome to a game day in my life. I'm Doran, and I'm on the women's basketball team. I started out my morning reading my Bible and then getting ready for my busy day. On game days, I fuel up with a good breakfast and walk over to my morning class. Then I got my good luck fist bump from Cal after class. I headed over to my work study at the registrar's office. I love having a job on campus because it keeps me busy throughout my week. I grabbed a quick lunch with my friends before heading to my shooting workout. Shooting workouts allow us to get some extra shots up before our game tonight. When I get back to my dorm, good old Douglas Fir always welcomes me with a song. Jelena came over to work on a project for class. Then I was blessed with the presence of my roommate Kiri. She's on the women's soccer team here. I hopped over to Subconnection to grab my pregame rap. It's tradition for my teammates to perform their pregame dances before we head out for warm-ups. My favorite thing about the women's basketball team is how much fun we have together and the instant friends I had coming into college. It's game time. We played at home tonight and got the win. My teammate celebrated with a post-game gritty. My whole fam came to support, and my grandpa had to show off his autographed hat. We had our usual team dinner, and then we went to support the men's basketball team. I ended my night writing my journal and finished up with some homework. Thanks for following along with me on my day as a student athlete here at Simpson. Good night.